Are you gonna settle down? Hey everyone, okay, are you settled? Hey everyone, Hey everyone, I'm Sav and this is Lagom Eats. Today I'm going to show you guys a classic dirty martini recipe. A martini is a mixture between vermouth and gin, or sometimes vodka, and the reason it's called dirty is because it has a splash of olive brine in it. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We're going to be using 3 ounces of your favorite gin, a splash of dry vermouth, and 1/4 to 1/2 ounce of olive brine. Let's get drinking. Now the first thing we want to do is chill our martini glass. Now this has been in the freezer for about an hour, but if you want to quickly chill it, all you have to do is put some ice in the glass, pour in soda water, and it will chill in a few minutes. The soda water accelerates the chilling process. So I'm going to put this back in the freezer while we make the drink so it can keep chilling. You'll start with a glass with some ice in it. Now we're going to be using Tanqueray gin here, but use your favorite gin, whatever you really enjoyed the taste of it, because this martini is mostly gin, so it's going to taste like the gin. So we'll take our jigger. This side is 1.5 ounces. So we're using 3 ounces of our gin. We'll fill this up twice. Now we're going to use 1/4 to 1/2 ounce of olive brine. It depends on how salty you like it. If you like it more salty, obviously put in more. If you don't like it quite as salty, then put in less. So now we are going to stir our martini. And the reason we stir it versus shaking it is because when you shake it, it introduces air bubbles into the cocktail, which we don't want. We want to maintain the clarity and texture of our cocktail. So we'll give it a few stirs. All right, let's grab our glass. So normally dirty martinis are dry martinis. So what that means is there's not a lot of vermouth in this drink. If you like more vermouth in your drink, then you're gonna order a wet martini. So we're using dry vermouth here. There's also a sweet vermouth, but in this dirty martini, we definitely want the dry kind. So here, we're actually gonna be making a bone dry martini. So what that means is there's barely any vermouth in this drink. So we're just going to pour a splash of our vermouth in our martini glass, and then we're going to coat the glass in the vermouth. And we're actually gonna dump this out. Again, if you like a more dry or a more wet martini, then just add a little bit more vermouth. So now we'll take our cocktail that we made, put on your strainer, and you're going to pour it into your glass. All right, now we're going to add an olive in here. So we're going to add 1 olive in here. Now, apparently what they say is it's unlucky to put an even number of olives in your cocktail, so only put 1 or put 3, but not 2. And there is your dirty martini. All right, let's taste it. The gin is really the star in this drink, but that saltiness from the olive brine kind of takes the edge off. This reminds me a lot of my pickleback cocktail. That's kind of like the whiskey version of this dirty martini. I hope you guys enjoyed my dirty martini. The full recipe can be found on my food blog at lagomeats.com. I've got new delicious dishes coming out every week, so hit a like and subscribe below. I'll see you guys next time. Hey do!